Hello, welcome to our familiarization video regarding the various layouts available on Cora 48, from the standard 3-bedroom version up to the Charter family 4-cabin, 4-shower, 4-toilet. We are going to see all of that today together. My name is Philippe Guénat. I am the owner of PMG Shipyard in Rayong. And being Swiss, my boat, the Cora 48, is a little bit like a Swiss knife. We have different blades on the knife. This boat has several layout versions in order to fit every requirement, and especially if we have so many versions, it's because of you, our client, which came to us during the time and asked us if we could fulfill your wish. And today we are going to see a few of them. I will be starting with our standard version, which has a flybridge, a saloon, and a 3-cabin layout. The flybridge, you may remember if you have seen my previous video, you have a seating arrangement with large hatches. It's storage, it's to do the storage of the cushion, a table which opens in the center for easy access. You have a kitchenette with a fridge, with a barbecue, electrical barbecue, ice machine if you wish, hot water, cold water, and then a sofa lounge, again with a large hatch for storage, the cushion, and the helm station. Yes? Staircase, which you arrived in the aft cockpit or aft. The surface is about 14 square meters. You have a platform, which is an option, but most of you request this sinking platform to put the tender or to bring down the mother-in-law to go and swim. Seating arrangement, same thing, a table with an opening in the center for easy access. Then you have the saloon, and the saloon is also about 14 square meters, with double sink, kitchen, an island, a seating arrangement with a table which you can use up and down. You can use it as a bed. And from here, on starboard and on port side, you have access to the cabin. If I arrive in the cabin, you will have them here. You have on port side the master cabin with a large king-size bed, a seating arrangement, a desk, and cupboard, as well as the bathroom. And please go on our website and see the Cora. The bathroom is just stunning. On the other side, you are having at aft one cabin with its toilets and another cabin at bow with its toilet. Both cabins have their private toilet and sink, yet they are sharing a shower. I did that because I wanted them to share a large shower. After our standard version, I would like to introduce you to our beach view version. The flybridge remains the same. In fact, the flybridge will remain the same on all our versions. The saloon will have its staircase slightly changed. And then the big change is on the layout. So we will still have at port side our master bedroom, similar to the previous one with a fantastic bathroom. Then we have now an entrance just after the main fridge in the entrance of the kitchen. On the starboard side, we are having a cabin, a large cabin with a very large shower, as a matter of fact. And then the novelty is from starboard port side, we enter into a cabin with a bed which is facing the bow of the bed. And we are having here, as a matter of fact, a large window giving you a view on what you see. And it's the reason why we have call it or name it beach view. So again, the main things on the main attraction on the Cora 48 beach view, it is separate entrance cabin for starboard aft, which arrived here, and then another entrance for the access to the bed of the beach view. The bed, you have to climb 2 steps, and you have the bed with a big, about 4-meter long window giving you view on the front of the boat. Here are the main features of the Cora 48 beach view. You must have seen, maybe in the video presented by Caroline, about the interior decoration. Caroline mentioned to you while looking at the kitchen that usually in boating we called a kitchen, we call it a galley. But here we make a statement because our kitchen are large, are spacious, well ventilated, with many appliances. We are proud to say it's a kitchen. Yet, few of you have been having their wife, most of the time, mentioning that they wanted to have a larger kitchen. So we came up with the design of the Cora 48 extended kitchen and owner's cabin by the same time. Here you have the standard operation, and you can see the lengths of you have the double sink, you have the induction, we are having the stove, the dishwasher machine over there, and you see the space. Now, on the extended kitchen and owner's cabin, you can see that the space dedicated to the kitchen is much bigger. By doing that, we have been moving toward bow the staircase. Here the staircase has been moved. Therefore, we are gaining more space for the kitchen as a setup. And at the same time, in the master cabin, we are moving the staircase, as you see here. We have moved the staircase forward. The staircase is moved forward. Therefore, we are gaining one more cupboard space. The lounge sofa in the cabin has been moved forward, and the working desk or powder place has been put backward. We have also more space in front of the bed, and the whole bathroom has been pushed by an extra 75 centimeters inside this area. This area is not the collision bulkhead, like some people will say. The legal CE certified collision bulkhead is over there. Therefore, we are completely safe of that. That is just a storage area. And then the rest of the layout remained the same than on the standard version, with one cabin on starboard side at aft and one cabin on starboard side at port. That remained the same. Just the master cabin has been extended a lot, and the kitchen also. Now, we can do the same setup with the beach view. We just previously mentioned about the beach view, what was the asset and everything. We can do the same layout, extended kitchen, extended owner's cabin, and then we have a beach view accommodation. As you can see, we can really do every setup to please you, and we have done until now. It's where I remind you gave us this idea, and we have just been listening to your suggestion, and we did what you asked us to do. So now we are reaching our two last layout on the Cora 48, which are the 4 cabins. Quite often people said, oh, you have 3 cabins, why don't you have 4 cabins? We have 4 cabins. And in fact, we are having 2 versions of 4 cabins. We are having the family version and we are having the charter version. Let me explain you what is the difference between these 2 versions. The layout of the cabin of the bed are exactly the same. Nice, spacious, queen or king size bed. It's only the setup in the shower. The difference is with the shower. It is 4 cabins with 4 sinks and 4 toilets, individual toilets. The family one, we have kept in the center a large shower to be shared between the 2 cabins on each side. Going through principle, it is a family, we know each other, or we are good friends, we know each other, we can share the shower and yet have our privacy with our sink and toilets. The 4 cabin charter is different. And then what is different that every bathroom has its own sink, toilet, and shower. You see them here. Now, what is important is we didn't want to make a shower when you have a shower, your toilets are wet, the toilet paper is wet, and everything is wet, like it has been happening on low-budget charter boat. Here, the shower is next to the sink, and it is the wet area. But the bathroom, towels, and other stay dry. And we have also in each bathroom a cupboard in which you can store your personal hygiene matter, toothbrush, and other to make sure that they don't get wet. So again, here, Cora 48, 4 cabins and 2 different layouts. Family, 1 shower on each side. Charter, it's 4 bathrooms, 4 toilets, and 4 showers. That are the main differences. I am sure now that with all this explanation, you are going to find satisfaction. Thank you very much for following us during all this introduction of the Cora 48 over the last few months. Thank you and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.